Hi there, students. Filth, a noun, an uncountable noun normally. Filthy, the adjective. I guess filthily could be as an adverb, and filthiness. Okay, filth is dirt, thick, unpleasant dirt. The kitchen was covered in filth, in grime, in dirt, in gunk, gunge. Okay, and then filthy as the adjective, extremely dirty, yeah, unpleasantly dirty. Notice filthy is a very extreme word. It was absolutely filthy. So you want an extreme adverb. It was utterly filthy. Yeah, so clean the floor, it's filthy. Your room is filthy. Please clean it up. He gave me a filthy look. He looked at me angrily and unpleasantly. It's like he gave me a dirty look. Somebody could be in a filthy mood. Yeah, he's in a really filthy mood, a horrible mood, in a really bad, angry mood. Okay, now, filth. So filth is dirt. But we can also use filth in other ways. Very often, things that are pornographic are referred to as filth. I think you could use filthy with that as well. I don't know how they can put such filth on television. This sounds rather prudish and unapproving. Filthy. He told some filthy jokes. I'm glad my mother-in-law wasn't there, because she doesn't like such filth. Okay, so filth. Also, the filth we use very often in British English as an informal word to talk about the police. Watch out, the filth are coming round the corner. Yeah, the filth. Yeah, dirt, effectively. We could say somebody is filthy rich. Yeah, they are very rich. This comes from the idea of filthy lucre. Money is dirty, dirty money. So he's filthy rich. If you get that rich, you must have done something that wasn't above board. Yeah, don't use such filthy language. I'm told that smoking is a filthy habit. Yeah, yeah. So filthy language, but filthy rich and filthy lucre, very common collocations with filth. Yeah. Okay. So filth, dirt, very dirty, and then obscene or offensive, or something that's very unpleasant or very disagreeable. The food they served us was such filth I just couldn't eat it. I guess you could say this essay is sheer filth. But notice, filth and filthy. This is an extreme. Yeah, it's not gradable. This is very filthy. No, this is extremely filthy. Yeah, you need some extreme one. Yeah, so a filthy joke, a dirty, smutty joke, a filthy magazine. Yeah, or you could use this as an insult. He's a filthy turncoat. Yeah, it was a filthy trick that he played on me. The weather today is absolutely filthy. It's been pouring with rain. Yeah, yeah. So that family, they are filthy with money. They're filthy with filthy lucre. So, nasty, foul, dirty, soiled, unclean, smutty, slimy, squalid, yeah, scummy, yeah. There was some filthy water running through the stream. Yeah, that old coat he wears is absolutely filthy. Yeah, there was so much filthy language in the film, I thought about leaving. You are an absolute filthy swine, despicable. Yeah, he's in a filthy temper, in a really bad mood. Yeah, a disgusting mood, a really bad, unpleasant mood. Yeah, that was a filthy lie, a malicious lie. Yeah, they are filthy rich. He gave me a filthy look. So notice I've used it in all sorts of ways with loads of examples. Let's see, filthy meaning very dirty. The floor is filthy. 5, informality. Use absolutely anywhere. The family's filthy rich. 4, informality. Don't use in a very formal writing. In a semi-formal writing, probably not as well. Yeah, I won't listen to such filth. 4.5, informality. Okay, the filth, the police. 3, even 2.5, informality. Very informal. Okay, so filth, things that are dirty. Let's see, as to origin, okay, this comes from Old English, fulbu, which comes from Proto-Germanic fulpu, meaning foul or disgusting. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Filth, filthy.